Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start now, sign into your Google account and open the form in Google Drive or Forms. Google.com. Once the editor loads, focus on the top tabs. Click the Responses tab. This is where submissions collect, and you'll see a live summary chart. You should scan the overview to understand response volume and question types. Make sure to pause if you don't see responses. Permission or form visibility issues often block incoming data. Next, you'll learn how to view individual entries and export them for analysis. Once done with the overview, switch to the individual view to read each submission one at a time. This helps you verify unusual entries. You can use the left and right arrows to navigate responses quickly. For bulk work, open the three-dot menu and choose Create Spreadsheet. This links responses to a new or existing Google Sheet. Make sure to select the correct sheet option. Once linked, new responses update automatically. If you need CSV, export from Sheets via File, Download, comma-separated values. You finish by managing how responses arrive. Use the Accepting Responses toggle to pause new entries and edit the confirmation message if needed. To clean data, open the linked sheet and remove duplicates or apply filters. If responses aren't appearing, make sure the form is still set to accept responses, the sheet link is intact, and sharing permissions allow submissions. Sometimes filters or hidden columns in Sheets hide recent rows. Troubleshoot by relinking the spreadsheet and testing with a sample submission. That usually resolves the issue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.